What's good, E-Crew? Welcome back to the channel. On today's vlog, this is our day 2 on this Super73 RX with a UPP 72 volt 40 amp battery and also a Yondai Chinese brand controller from Amazon that goes about 72 volt 60 amp current. Yeah, we rode it yesterday for about 25 miles. I just charged the battery, not fully charged. We're starting this adventure at 82 volts right here showing. And we're going to do about another 25 miles, give or take. We're going to head towards San Dimas, check out Benelli Park, and hopefully everything goes smoothly. We're solo riding today, and basically just hopefully I could check out new stuff and just go on more adventures on this bike. I'm not running my speedometer today because I pretty much know how fast this bike is. It goes about 48 miles per hour, and that's plenty fast for me. As long as I'm keeping up with traffic, that's all I really care about. Hopefully I'm just going to see the sunset at Benelli Park and get back home. So from our neighborhood, we're basically exploring eastwards this time. Yeah, just checking out new bike routes. Really trying to stay in bike routes as much as I can. For me, it's really about the adventure, not really how fast I can get there. If I wanted to get somewhere fast, I would use my car or my other faster e-bikes, such as the Onyx or Stealthbomber, but there are times where I, try to keep up with traffic when there's no bike lane. And yeah, off the line, this thing just wants to pop a wheelie. I'm guesstimating we're going about 38 miles per hour right now. Yo, don't just cut me off without signaling. Douchebag. Is this guy brake checking me? Let's turn and burn here. So I don't drive this bike like a bike. I think I'm still driving it like a car. Does that make sense? Like I'm not cutting through lanes or anything like that, when technically I could, but I don't want to. I don't know. I just want to be in car lanes instead of cutting through traffic. Maybe eventually I will, though, with more experience. Lots of going fast and then braking, kind of using up all my brake pads here. And I think we're just in San Dimas already, just like that. It just says welcome to San Dimas. So I'm hearing that the Super73 C1X motorbike is not coming out till like 2024. Yeah, when that thing comes out, I don't know, how much do you guys think it would be? I imagine it would be really expensive. I imagine it around 10K. Comment below how much you think it would be. But regardless, I think I'm still gonna like this bike. I still like the one-of-a-kind kind of bikes, and that's even why we pretty much modified this bike in the first place. This is where my Stealthbomber was from. I bought it from the guy that lives somewhere here. Frank G. Benelli Regional Park. That was a sign there. We made it here like in 15 minutes or less. Or what it feels like. This is a definite motorbike now, for sure. No longer an e-bike, but now an electric motorbike. And as you can see, I never needed to go over 50 miles per hour. I was just hanging with traffic. For me, I'd rather have more range. That's why I went with the 40 amp battery, 40 amp capacity battery, versus the one that's being offered out there was, I think there's a 20 amp, and then there's a 32 amp. 32 amp is probably great too for most folks, you know? But that one was just so expensive. I didn't need an amp currency. That place is closed, so I'm gonna go here. I didn't need an amp currency, 100 amp on the discharge to take me to 55 to 60 miles per hour. Again, this one was just perfect for what I need. 48 miles per hour top speed. All right, if you're just tuning in today, this is the Amazon controller we got for about 70 bucks. It's a 72 volt, 45 to 60 amp current. There's a UPP battery in there that we got for about 800 bucks. It's a 72 volt, 40 amp capacity, 60 amp on the BMS current. And this is the enclosure that we got, pretty much an offer up for about $150 only. So I saved on that because retail this would have been like 400, I believe, online. All right, we're kind of going around the creek areas. We're trying to get to the campground area. Okay, a little bit of off-roading here, which is okay on these fat tires. Benelli Park is like one tough area for me to like kind of memorize. There's a lot of, it's not as easy as it looks. Like you really have to be a local or be familiar with the spots for the mountain bike trails, or just trails in general. There's a lot of splits. There's like a tiny bridge that I can cross on. I'm not doing that. It's a creek crossing. No thanks. Turning back around. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Our bike just got up that from the dead stop. Okay, you're gonna have to take me a different way. 2 miles away from the hangar shop. Oh, now let me get for you.
More interesting.
5 years?
Weather.
Yeah,
It's quite crazy.
that's me. Okay, and what was your name?
I'm Rob.
Rob.
What's your name?
Julian.
Julian. Nice to meet you, Julian.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll keep in touch, bro.
Okay, yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Yeah.
I would love to pick your brain on that.
Yeah.
I'd love to make my Super 73 fast.
Oh, yeah. Do you have which one do you have?
It's the, not this one, the S2. What is
S2?
S2, yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, yeah, nice.
It's cool.
Oh, yeah, for sure, for sure.
That one's nice.
Yeah, the S2 even has a bigger space. So, I mean, if you have more options. Yeah, exactly.
Right
Exactly.
on, hey, right safe.
All right, you guys too. Have a good one. He said he would love to pick my brain for e-bike stuff, and he has S2, he has a Surron, he has an Onyx, and he's a barber for Surronster, and he wanted to get to know my channel, which is pretty easy, obviously, E-Bike Adventures. All right, we're going to, I guess, the campground next. Where the camper RVs are. I'd like to operate a campground. It's always been a dream of mine. I wonder if I need to check it. Let's see if anyone's here. Hello there. Is it okay to just bike around?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, just checking. Thank you. Just checked in verbally. Wow, they have a nice view of the water here for sure. That's a nice view. Look at that view, guys. People grilling and everything with this nice view. Man, this is the life for me. That's amazing. There's a lot of e-bikes here, though, from what I'm seeing, because definitely my kind of people. The outdoorsmen and women. Adventurous people. Alright, we're gonna go to the next view. Yeah, that's a nice picture there. We'll stop there for a photo. Yeah, that's nice. Gotta get those photos, or it doesn't count. Just look at that shot. Nice. Yep. Here I've been. I've biked here before. Amazing feeling that I can just bike here now. With this bike, with a 40 amp battery. Without having to drive here and bike, you know? As far as the water goes, I think Benelli Park has much better views compared to Santa Fe Dam, which is the other next body of water near our neighborhood. But as far as bike lane goes, Santa Fe Dam to me is better. It's just like everything kind of connects. Here, everything is kind of like broken in spots. This place does have better mountain bike trails because it has hills. Santa Fe Dam is generally flat, but very fortunate, not complaining. Very fortunate to be close enough at either park. So it looks like we're going to be doing 24 miles. Mixed street use, fast speeds going over 40 miles per hour, and mixed biking use. And this park has more trees for sure. Oh, I gotta get the shot. I gotta get this bridge shot before I leave. Oh, look at that. There's still the sunset. So we're by the dam. Last look of that sunset. Let's roll. 9 miles away. I really hope this controller lasts long. You just never know buying online. But I've pretty much battle tested it. We've gone up some hills, even some off-roading. Past 30 miles of testing already from yesterday and today. Actually, more than that. Like maybe it's probably already at its 70 miles because I was already testing this specific controller with the arielrider as well. All right, guys. That's gonna be in today's adventure. We're pretty much by Covina now, and we're only 4.6 miles away from home. But it's getting dark. I'm gonna cut the video short here, and it's just a lot of street fast riding, and you could barely hear me on the audio, I imagine. That's gonna be in today's e-bike adventure, folks. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your Super73 arielrider bafang kit, or the Amazon links that I've prepared for you guys on the description. Check that out. This is Julian signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.